What's going on everybody, Tech Boss here. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the MIUI on the MIUI which is running on Android Oreo now. So here you see it is running on Android Oreo. Let's see, MIUI is running on Android Oreo and I want the MIUI version. So and here you are able to see that MIUI model. So let's change this phone into MIUI. So for that we have to go to Play Store. Then type here MIUI in 8 launcher, not 9. Then we have to check 9 also, but 9 is not that much interesting. So then we have to go to MIUI launcher and then we have to download it, and let's download. So here it is download. So from here you have to open it, and after opening you are seeing that our phone is changed into MIUI and it is looking pretty nice and really good. And the camera is also the MI camera only. So this is the thing and it is working properly. So but this notification bar is not changed, so that is the problem. So I am also going to solve that in another video. So here our phone changes into MIUI. So friends, this is the way to change your phone into MIUI, like MIUI launcher. So friends, that's all for this quick video. If you like this video, please give on the thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel because I am giving you more tech videos daily. So guys, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.